Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the battery pack on UPS Apc Bx2200Mi model. I have prepared new battery pack. These are two batteries which are glued together with double-sided tape. So, first take out the battery connector. Now rotate the UPS on the bottom side. Unscrew the screw for the front panel. And using small flat screwdriver, we have to open the front panel, and from the other side disconnect the cable. And now again on the bottom side, unscrew the 4 screws we see here. Now turn it again and lift up the top cover. Here is our battery pack. Unscrew the 4 screws which hold the plastic bracket that holds the battery pack. The last one. Lift up the battery pack. Disconnect the cables. Now place the new battery pack. First place the cables. Let me show you. This is the new battery pack. Now first the black connector. Black to the black, red to the red. We are good. We have to place back the plastic bracket for the battery pack. Place the top cover. Rotate it. As you see, I do everything in reverse order, so you can do it also. Place the connector over the front panel, then push on the both sides. Great, that's it. And finally screw back the last screw for the front panel. And connect the battery connector. And that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.